Itong reading na to ay para sa mga fire signs, which is the Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius sign. Let's see kung ano kayang message ang kailangan mong marinig. This is just a guide, and you are here for a reason. Tingnan natin. Para sa mga Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius sign. Oh, tough. Okay. Sinasabi dito for the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius sign, okay? You are on top. Okay, you are on top right here. Matalino kang tao, maabilidad ka, madiskarte ka, lahat-lahat, okay? Marami kang mga plano sa buhay na gustong-gusto mong ma-achieve. Karamihan kasi sa mga Aries signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius sign, ito yung mga the signs of like parang gagawin lahat, okay? Really passionate when it comes to work, really passionate when it comes to your career, okay? Nahulog siya, no? Nahulog siya kasi kasunod ito, you had the Three of Swords. Maring yung iba sa inyo ay hindi masyadong maganda yung love life. Although, okay yung career, okay yung pagiging maabilidad mo, yung pagiging madiskarte mo. Pero when it comes sa love life, pagiging madiskarte, ito ang the cards of heartbreak. Ito ang the cards of, pero hindi naman para sa lahat, ha. May iba naman na hindi talaga into relationship. Maring heartbreak when it comes to family, heartbreak when it comes to relationship. Okay? Something like parang may maraming bumabagabag sa puso't isipan mo na you feel like there's something missing, okay? Even though your career is okay, yung mga plano mo ay okay, or marami, even though wala ka pang trabaho, wala ka pang business, sinasabi dito, you are lucky enough, no, na talagang maabilidad ka na, you're skillful enough, you're talented enough, pero bagsak ka when it comes to a relationship with your partner, relationship with your family or your friends, okay? Pero sinasabi dito, even though mag-isa ka lang, no, you will find happiness naman, no? Even though mag-isa ka lang, if you will look deeper, marami pa ang magagandang bagay na hindi mo na-appreciate. Okay? And what else? Seven of Swords. Maring pinapalayo ka sa ibang tao. It's because madali kang maloko ng ibang tao. And that's why sinasabi sa'yo dito, even though ikaw lang mag-isa, even though wala ka pang good relationship ngayon, it's because marami din ang nagmamanipulate sa'yo. Marami ang talagang gagamitin ka for their own benefits, okay? So, sinasabi dito na you need to be careful na huwag mamadali when it comes to love or other relationship. So, masakit yung throat ko. So, maaaring may nakikita din ako that is connected to my throat chakra na may mga tao dito na gusto ka talagang kausapin, kaya lang hindi nila masabi. Hindi nila alam kung paano i-express sa'yo. Okay? Fire energy. Okay? There are good things coming your way, sinasabi dito, no? So, yun na nga, wala akong negative na nakikita for you. Sunod-sunod eh. Sunod-sunod, marami ang good news na darating sa'yo, no? Maring hindi mo pa to nakikita as of now, or wala ka pang nare-receive, pero makikita mo na lang, no? This is a message, eh. This is an email, this is a phone call. There's something about message that it's coming towards you that is very positive as well. Yung iba sa inyo is promotion, yung iba sa inyo is a new job offer, new opportunities. Yun lang yung medyo negative na lumalabas sa'yo dito, na be careful ka on who you deal with. Be careful ka kung sino yung tinatrust mo. Oo. Kasi sinasabi dito baka masaktan ka lang. Be careful ka, no? So, wala namang masyadong bad energy, but it's one thing about your relationship with other people. So, kailangan talaga ng full trust talaga, no? So, sinasabi dito, go on your career, go on something na nagpapasaya sa'yo kasi soon, hindi ka na nila matitake advantage. Yun lang at salamat sa inyo. Thank you for watching. I hope you will also comment down kung nag-resonate sa inyo. And paki-follow na lang po. Thank you.